humans developed some seriously strange stuff during the Second World War. One weapon soldiers hated the most was called the sticky bomb. In theory, this hand grenade would stick to an enemy tank, allowing the vehicle to drive away before exploding from a distance. I mean, that sounds kinda cool. The design had some major flaws, though. For one, the sticky bomb was, well, sticky. During training, at least one man got the grenade stuck to his uniform, meaning his friend had to help rip off his trousers before he was blown up. And for all its stickiness, it was pretty ineffective if the target was wet, muddy, oily, or, anything that tanks are in the middle of battle. Not wanting the 2.5 million grenades to go to waste, the British Ministry of Defense decided they would re-gift their sticky bombs to auxiliary units and clandestine resistance forces on the continent. Although sticky bombs did help take down 6 German tanks attacking Tunisia in 1943, now they mainly act as a reminder that